we are going to unbox this Wybot Osprey 800 pool cleaner. It's got all this cool technology. It even has like tank tracks, like an M1 Garand. And here is the pool robot. Right now we have some spare filters, we have this plastic hook, and we have the owner's manual, and we have this box. Now let's get the packaging out of the way and unveil the brand new pool robot. This thing's heavy. This thing is, whoa, this thing's heavy. Here is the Wybot Cordless robotic pool cleaner. This robot has a lithium-ion battery, which means you gotta charge it before you use it. And charge this device, you need to use the included power adapter, which is right here. Charge this cable right here. You plug it into here, and then you plug this into a wall outlet. You can plug this in for like not an hour, but for you guys, it should only be a few seconds. The robot is now fully charged, but we still need to connect it to the mobile app. Here is a quick QR code you can scan for iOS or Android. First, you gotta click on My Device, and then you have to, if it doesn't work the first time, just click on Search again, and then you click on your pool robot, and then you select your network. What you have to do is you have to click the Select button, and you have to select your pool shape, which for us, it's going to be freeform. Then we click on the Determine button, and you can name your pool whatever you want. And now we click on the Confirm button. Before putting your Wybot Osprey 800 in the pool, what you want to do is you want to click on Cycle Timer, and you want to make sure your Cycle Clean mode is set to floor. So to put your Wybot to pool, first thing you want to do is make sure the charging port is closed shut like this. Then what you want to do is press and hold the power button until it's blue like this, and then what you do is you just simply just drop in the pool. What you do is you just drop in the pool. Well, now this pool robot has been running overnight for the past 6 or so hours, and if we open this front cover, you see this filter, you pull out. This is how much gunk the pool robot has cleaned up in a matter of 8 hours. And you want to clean up more gunk, you just slide it back to the filter, you position it in the slot until it lines up, and then you just close the hatch. And you recharge the robot and you put it back in the pool. Thanks so much for watching. Please sure to like, subscribe. Till next video, guys. Bye.